Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about the newly released feature checklist inside CMXC. Users can now set up a customizable checklist while setting up their workflow and use this feature for effective quality control purposes. The checklist can be set up during the workflow stage and allows users to create multiple fields inside the checklist. For example, you can add a title, a date, checkbox, multiple choices, and drop-down fields inside your checklist. Now each of these fields have their own settings menu where you can add different options. For example, you can set up label names, input any instructions, and define different answer choices. The preview form button helps you to view the checklist or how the checklist would appear on various devices. Once the checklist has been saved, it's ready to be used by the users. As they scan the QR code of the assembly and arrive on status change page, the checklist will show up on the status. Now this requirement of checklist needs to be completed before advancing the status to the next stage. Users can fill in the checklist, and while filling, they can also add comments and attachments inside the checklist. Once the checklist has been saved, they can then push the status to the next stage. There's also a history tab that provides all the previous checklist operations. Also note that if there is a failed condition inside the checklist, it will be notified on the status. Now this requirement has to be passed before the user can push the status to the next stage. So that was a quick introduction to the checklist feature inside CMXC. Thank you very much for watching, and if you'd like to learn more, please visit our website cmexc.io.